Hey you all, if you are wondering what that short clip is all about, I am here to reveal. Okay, first thing first, what is PRM? Persistent, Responsible and Motivate is a young, vibrant youth event management team from Tamenglong. They started with an aim to utilize their innate ability to make a positive and development impact for our district in different capabilities. They are committed to work with persistent perseverance and accountability. They manage different district level events such as skills mela, legal awareness campaign, and so on. And the best part is, they don't limit themselves just in managing events, but they themselves is an event organizer too. Special open mic evening, the one called Christian Musical Concert, 2022 Mega Concert, Advent Christmas with fireworks show, etc. are few of the events to be mentioned which they organize. In addition, the PRM Group mini public address systems are also available for hiring. So, if you are planning to organize any event, chill, reach out to them, and I assure you, you will be amazed by the talent, creativity, and dedication. And let's continue to support them by using them in our program, either in send-off, wedding, career counseling, birthday party, concert, or any event. To support local entrepreneurs and groups is a step taken for a better future. And lastly, I am thrilled to announce that the PRM Group is presenting to us the Soundscape Love is Now on 15th of April 2023 at Tamenglong Natural Ground, 6 p.m. onwards, where training and hottest artists like Matthew Huang, Chan Ning Tao, Min Lai, Jalda, Lung GD will be performing live. Can you believe it? So, if you haven't grabbed your ticket yet, what are you waiting for? Grab now at Shop to Door Mini Mart opposite Rani Market, Tamenglong, or directly DM them on Instagram.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Chan and I'm coming down at Tamenglong on 15th of April. So my people from Tamenglong, I hope you guys should please show up, please show this boy some love, and I really hope to see you guys soon. So peace.